came from Uruguay, and as you can see, I'm an artist.
Yes, I can tell. You're a very good artist, by the way.
Well, thank you very much. So, well, I came here to show my work at the Uruguayan Embassy in Washington. It is my first time here in Washington, so I'm very happy. And, well, I would like to invite people to see my work here.
Okay.
And, well, as you can see, the main subject of my work is the human identity.
Okay.
This is really, it's very difficult to explain it in words, but the images are so suggestive. And well, as you can see here, for example, if I have to explain something, you can see this man he doesn't have face. It represents that he don't know his real identity.
Okay.
So I think we are trying to discover it as a human being, and it is not easy, of course. So in my work, I'm trying to reflect this searching. It is my experience, my personal experience, and I am putting in images this different levels of this experience.
So what you're talking about is something universal that could be for people of any culture to try to find themselves.
Well, principally, I think that we must be honest, because I think that to discovering our interior life, our discovering,
It's like soul searching.
Yes, it's like soul searching. It takes a long time and it's not easy. So you must be honest, and you must know you should know that it takes a long time. It's not really easy.
Right.
So you can't do this in a weekend.
Okay.
So
right. I agree. There's an old song called "I've Been Searching for So Long to Find an Answer. Now I Know My Life Has Meaning." So this is a meaning that you're sharing this with other people.
Of course, and this is the experience of all my life. It's not done in 2 weeks or in 1 month. It's, it's a big experience.
It's continuous
exercise. A very
exercise.
intensive experience.
Right. Can I see another one of your pieces? Because you have so many here that I like. Okay?
Okay.
You were saying about what this represents.
Well, in general, for example, you can see here a table with this object that you can recognize. And this represents the first level, maybe, of reality.
Okay.
The things that you can see. But you also can see that from the table appears suddenly a bridge. And each bridge is going to another place. And you can't, I mean, it is a little bit difficult to explain what is happening there. You don't know if this is a window and you are looking at a landscape, or if it's something over the wall. And the wall is not a material world. It's a spiritual. It's like a sky. So
it's an illusion.
It's an illusion, and sometimes we are living in illusion. And you can see here, for example, in the center, the eagle is coming, and the eagle represents the vision, because as you know, this bird is flying over the others, and it can see more than the rest of the birds.
Okay.
I don't know if I explain it.
Yes, sounds. I understand it. I understand it.
So this vision represents the interior vision.
Okay.
So this is the first level of the reality. This is the bridge connecting with another dimension.
Okay. And
in this dimension, the vision is coming.
Okay. And I like that.
And here you can see the figure is a spiritual person.
Okay.
It's a spiritual being. No? But it doesn't have waves. Like, you can see in general angels with wings.
Yes.
So this is a spiritual entity. You can see it because it has a...
This looks like a cape to me, though.
Yes. So it is a little bit different than you can see usually in paintings.
Right. Okay.
I wanted to do something different.
What's this called? What's the name of it?
The name is the subjectivity perception of reality.
Okay. I see what you mean by as far as the key is concerned here.
Yes.
The key.
So when you have a key, is because you have to open something. No?
Yeah.
You have to use the key to open something.
Right.
So the key maybe is the knowledge. You need the knowledge to open the door to go to your interior.
Yeah. So it's a symbol. Here's a keyhole right here, and I've seen it in different places. And then you have buildings. It looks like
Building
buildings.
and houses. And for example, I think that inside of us there are places where the light is coming, and there are places or zones where there are shadows.
I see.
There are
Okay.
light and shadows. Shadows. So it represents this drawing represents that. Here, for example, you have light places, and here it's like a page of the book. You are moving, and you can see there is a shadow inside of us. So we must work a lot to put light inside of this place.
What does this represent? This looks like water to me.
It's like water. It represents the movement, something that needs to fluid.
Flowing, yeah, flowing, yeah.
Flowing.
Okay. So now, again, you're talking about, but this is a different color of water, isn't it?
Yes, it looks like milk, no?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
This is possible. But the most important thing, I think, in this painting that is called the balance. Balance.
Yeah.
You can see here, for example, two forms. Right now, right here, one, and this one that is similar in proportions, and are gathering by a line. You can see here the line that is gathering the two forms, and one of them is going up.
Okay.
It represents the spiritual life. It's going up, and the other is going down to the earth.
Okay.
So for that is the balance.
Wow.
You can see the sky, but with our feet.
With your feet.
With your feet.
Yeah.
On the earth.
Yeah. Okay. It's like an upside down.
So, yes.
Yeah.
And you can see here also the key.
Oh, there's the key. Again, I almost didn't recognize it, but it's a different, more stylized key.
Yes,
This is nice.
You must put a lot of attention to see that this is a key.
Yeah, yeah, it is.
It's not. How can I say? It's not really clear.
Yeah.
You must try to make effort to interpret, to go inside of the painting. It's not something easy. So you must build a dialogue between you and these paintings.
Yeah, but you know what the thing is?
It's not only an aesthetic thing.
Yeah, I understand, but the problem is that if I were going to get this, I would want to get them all. I would want to get all of these because they all seem to fit together. You know?
Yes.
I can't imagine separating these.
No, they have something in common, definitely.
Yeah.